Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to walk Draco up and around the barricade. I'm the only pilot here, so no other planes. So I know I shouldn't be behind the barricades, but like I said, I'm the only one here, or the only pilot here. My wife's here, but she's underneath the structure. So, all right. All right, and we've got, I think I pretty well got all the lights on now. Yeah, I think I got all the lights on. Let me see if I can, yep, everything's on. Maybe it's enough low light to, yeah, the wind is a problem right now. As you can see, that's not the prop turner backwards, that's just the force of the wind. Oh, you can really see them lights now.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Man, the wind. Any other plane, I probably wouldn't be flying right now. But this plane loves wind. It just excels in the wind. It literally is a wind machine. A wind machine.
Landing flat. Time remaining 4
Man, I love this plane. It is so easy to fly. Oh, oh man. That sun comes shining underneath that wing, boy, pretty. That's beauty to me.
flat out.
Little touch and go there. Bounce and go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Touch and go. Yeah, this is going to be a touch and go machine. It really is. If you fly the turbo timber, then it flies an awful lot the same. Until you get until you're really confident with a plane, until you really get to know a plane, this is what you want to do. You want to just do touch and goes, landing drills. And this plane here, you can just about do spot landings. You just say pick a spot, get you a target somewhere. Man, this is a fun plane to fly. Whoa.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I should have had more forward thrust there.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
All right, folks, and what you want to hear before you touch a plane?
Motor off.
Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks, let's see now. We were having a timer set for 6 minutes. 6 minutes plus 26 seconds. Motor's off. Okay, so 6 minutes and 26 seconds on a 5000 6S smart battery with a 30C discharge. And let's see where we're at as far as voltage left in the percentage or voltage left in the rated battery. The other day on a video I said in the motor, but it's not in the motor, it's in the battery. But yesterday's video, the maiden. All right, 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Flew her pretty good, pretty hard, not full throttle. Still got 51% left. Oh my gosh. 6 minutes, 26 seconds total. And I still got 51% left in this 5000. Okay. Impressive. All right, folks. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.